Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, morning. Let's go. We are live, folks. We are live. Happy Monday to everybody. Happy Monday. Hopefully, hope you guys all had a great weekend. I know I did. Had a great weekend. Good morning, Kid Poker. Nutty Bar's famous. I don't know about that. Good morning, Matty Matt. Yeah, let's not talk about it yet, Matty Matt. Too early. Good morning, Black Coffee. Nathan, Gary, good morning. DL, good morning. R5 Studios. Sam Owen, Goan Trades, Rippin' and Dippin'. The Joker Trades. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. How is it going? Good morning, Jose. Oh, we need the clock. We need the clock. Here we go. Hubert, good morning. Rob, good morning. PC, hey, good morning, Almighty. Good morning, Dab Dog, good morning. Neil. Yeah, I did, Kid Poker. I did see it. I knew they were going to do that. I don't blame him. It was funny. Hey, good morning, Peter Schaap. Good to see you. Lawrence Harris. Hey, good morning, Mr. Wall Street. DG, Steven, good morning. From the Philippines. Let's go. All right, boys. We need to talk about it. Take Profit Trader. Actually, you know what? Let's not talk about it. Can we just not have it? Let's just not talk about it. Let's just not talk about it. Is that okay with everybody? Can we just skip it? I don't want to have it. I don't feel like we need to talk. We don't need to talk about this. Good morning, UK futures trader in the building. Good morning. Good to see you. Jim, good morning. Payout request in Friday night. Still waiting. Oh, I say be patient. Hubert, good morning. Even though I'm going, do you feel like you're gonna get denied, Kid Poker? Or do you feel like you're gonna get denied? No, we messed up. So I give up. Honestly. Oh, you broke the drawdown rule? Hey, fingers crossed. Maybe they won't see it. Maybe they didn't see it. But if they did, just reset, trade him again, and you'll be fine. Micro player, good morning. Is the chart on the right all my accounts? Yes, yes it is. Yep, these are my accounts. As you can probably notice by now, we're missing a certain prop firm's accounts. I don't want to talk about it. Unreal. I'll wait till more people get in here. I want to talk about it. We're going to talk and address it one time, and then we're not going to talk about it anymore because I give up, man. It's crazy. All right, boys. I'm very curious what we're going to do this morning. I'm going to be very hesitant to take this 3-minute opening trade. What a crazy market. The overnight session, again, a massive gap lower from the 21,600s. Isn't it crazy that when we ended stream, we literally were just closing the gap at the 21,970s. We thought, oh, we're going to go up. We're going to take out that 22,000 level. And wouldn't you know it, we pull all the way back, sell off in the afternoon session, all the way down to the 21,550s. And then we open to this morning, or last night, we opened gap down over 400 points, all the way down to the 950s. I mean, it's crazy. It is crazy, guys. If you're trading today, be careful. Just be very careful because this is The volatility is crazy. Everything about this market is crazy. Just be careful. Someone need a hug. I might. You know what? I'm kind of over it. I made a terrible. I did something very stupid. I jumped into a trade last night. Jumped into a trade. I thought, keyword thought I was trading micros. Jumped in with 4 micros, I thought. And wouldn't you know it, there were 4 minis. I forgot I was on the wrong chart. And what's really funny about everything is I saw it and I just killed it immediately. And I was only down to like $450 per account on my take profit accounts. So it was only $450. Yeah, it was bad. Like, it really frustrated me. But, you know, overall, it still wasn't that bad. But no, I had to go and try and make it back. And that's where it just went completely wrong. Yep, just... I made a mistake and then I compounded it by trying to chase the loss. And I did it even with me. Like, I did it using minis, which was even dumber. But here we are. I mean, it is what it is. We're going to, I mean, I'm focusing on my Apex 150Ks and my trade FIs, and I'm going to focus on those. I don't know. I'm going to be very careful about taking a trade today, to be honest, because this is very... It's just crazy price action we got here. Let's just be patient. All right, we got a move, trying to get a move above that 240 now. I'm not going to be taking this opening trade. I'm not doing it. The volatility is just too high. Also, we have the highs of the overnight session right there, the 270s. Let's see if we break up through that 270 level. I don't know. I think I'm kind of looking for shorts. I think I don't know, this big of a move lower. This is now I mean, last Sunday night we had a very similar happening. Had a big gap down, but then the market rallied on Monday. So maybe we do that again. Just, I don't know. I'm just a little bit cautious about that. We're just going to rally today. I think we could have a little bit of a fake out and then a rip lower. And I don't know. I'm cautious, very cautious about longs today. Feel like this could set up to be a very trappy day for the longs. And I don't know, two massive gap downs like this in 1 week. Just, I don't know, very cautious. Yes, also news. What time was that? I saw it earlier. All right, so looks like 10 o'clock we have ISM manufacturing. So we have PMI at 10 a.m. So we'll be careful about that. All right, we're just chilling here. See what this, very much in a range, basically trading in this range from the 160s to the 260s. 100-point range. Look at the spreads. The spreads are crazy. It's just, it's a crazy, it's pretty crazy, man. If this holds above the VWAP though, I definitely can't take a short. We got to get down below the VWAP and below this 110 area before I can justify taking a short. And then I just want to, The longer this holds up here, the 220s, the more I think we might actually go higher. So maybe we will. Maybe we just rip this thing and maybe we start to fill the gap again. I guess we've started to fill the gap already, but hey, good morning, UCLA Trades. Chris Adams, good morning. How's everyone feeling about the neighbors to the north these days, Matty Matt? I don't know, man. It's been a weird, I tell you what, we're in for a crazy 4 years, folks. Buckle in your seatbelts because it's going to get wild the way it's going. One thing I did, I will say again, we've not really heard Trump say anything about the stock market. So I don't think he really cares. And he's going to make some decisions that are going to bring this market lower. And, I think long term, he thinks it's going to be for the better and very likely. But short term, we might be in for a little bit of a pullback. Hey, NP, good to see you. Yeah, it was just a stupid idea, and I knew it was stupid at the time, and I thought, okay, if I can just get a little bit of it back, and the volatility, the volatility here in the overnight session was just so crazy. I had no business trying to I had no business trying to trade that money, and right here is actually where I blew the account. We had started making a really nice trending upward move, and I got long somewhere on, I think it was on this pullback right here. And it just whoosh took me out. It just took me out in a matter of 30 seconds. It was crazy. And I was sad for about 30 minutes and then I got over it. And now we're moving on. It's not I don't know. It's just, I'm just disappointed. That's all. Hey, Sharouz, good to see you. Grant Thompson Trades. Is everyone else having insane rhythmic data lag? I would not be surprised if you see some data lags because of the volatility and this is pretty wild. Pretty wild times we live in. Timbo, good morning. The small live traders that held over the weekend are now bankrupt with margin debt. Oh, yeah, that's rough. If you were long and held through the weekend, I wouldn't be surprised if they, I would not be surprised if, hang on. I wouldn't be surprised if I forget what I was going to say. I forget. I wouldn't be surprised if the margins increase to hold overnight and through the weekends. I would not be surprised. All right, there she goes. She's ripping higher, folks. Up through the 80s, through the 70s. Let's see if it continues. Now, let's see. Broke above that resistance at the 270s. Can it keep going? Wouldn't that be crazy if we had a gap fill all the way back up to the 550s today? All right, I got to put my own thesis. I got to put my own thesis aside here and actually we need to trade what we see. Right now, we definitely can't go short. We got to look at taking long here's. And we just want to wait. I'm going to be careful, but I will trade this if we need a little bit of a pullback here. All right, up through that 300 now. Now I'm getting a pullback. This is where it's dangerous. This is where it's dangerous. Because if we were going to trap the longs, this is how they would do it. I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to just blah by here. I'm just going to wait here. Let's see. See if this wants to keep, if this is just going to be a fake out, possibly. This is how they want to trap the bulls. This is how they would do it. We chillin'. We chillin'. You're 200 away from getting funded, UCLA trades. Good luck, sir. Good luck. DL 5989 out first, sign of upside. Oh, 5 on the ES. All right, I'm going to take a stab here. Looks like we're trying to get a bounce. My stop's just going to be right below this wick. Let's go. Come on, bulls. Show me that you're worth it. Yeah. Man, the way this price moves is so crazy. I'm going to move my stop here. Just to give it a little more room. Come on, need a pop here. Pop above that 280. Get above that 300 level again. Okay, I guess I'm out. I did not mean to click that button, but I did accidentally click it. All right, we might jump in here again. I had my mouse hovered on it, and then I clicked it accidentally. Dang. All right, let's not. Hold it, that filled me fast. This is so volatile to trade. Like, you go from being, you're down 60 ticks in like a split second. It's crazy. I'm starting to not like this long. It's taking way too long to get going. As long as we're above this EMA, I'm kind of okay with it, but yeah, we might need to kill this. I'm just going to take my all here, I guess. Did I get filled? We'll just take our L. Let's see what we do here at the EMA. Yeah, this is where this is not fun to trade this kind of action right here. Ugly, ugly. I should have listened, design. I mean, I knew there was a possibility of this happening. If this was going to trap the longs, this is how they would do it. But we could still rip higher here. As long as we stay above this, honestly, the 170s. Continue. Okay, about to test the 200s here. Can only trade one MNQ in this craziness? Yeah, you only need to trade two mini micros. I mean, it's easy. It's pretty easy to lose a lot of money with 4 micros. It's crazy how fast this market is moving. As long as we hold above the 170s, gotta look at a potential entry here on. But right now, don't want to enter here. This is just gonna look. It might just chop around. No reason to get crazy. I thought about it early this morning. I'm like, man, today might be a day just to not take a trade, honestly. So if we don't take another trade the rest of the session, I am not going to be mad. This is looking like I don't know, starting to look more and more like it trapped the longs. Hmm. 4 minis today, and we'd have a trading version of gone in 60 seconds. It would be more like gone in 4 seconds. If you trade 4 minis here, oh, dude. I mean, you could make a lot of money and lose a lot of money in a hurry. Let's see if this 200 level holds. Right here, if we get back above this 240 area, kind of interested. Where do you get the custom buttons for NinjaTrader? This is from Affordable Indicators Chart Trader. Affordable Indicators Chart Trader. I should send out a tweet that stops everything. Yep. Is gold is to the moon? Yeah, I'm not surprised. Bitcoin took a big hit in the overnight, I heard. Ouch. All right, this market doesn't seem to have the legs to go any higher now. Feels pretty heavy. Let's watch and wait. The copy trader that I'm using is the Replicanto. I'm using the Replicanto trade copier. Come on, buyers. Are you going to step in here or not? Okay, now. Problem is, entering right here, you have to have your stop, like, I don't even know if I can trade this. I'm going to size down to 2 micros. It's feeling heavy. Right back down. Down we go. This feeling very heavy. Mm. 7-point stop loss account blown. Ugh. All right, down we go. This starting to feel heavy. We're kind of coming into this little bit of a channel we got going on here. The 2160s, 160s, 170s. It's going to be a very important level. All right, down to the 180s. Blew past my exit and stole it after it dumped back below it. Oh. All right, here we go. Down, testing that opening range low at the 170s. This is going to be a very important level here. Are we gonna bounce? This is a tempting buy here, just basically a stab at it. I'm gonna take a stab here. This is a speculative trade. So, oh man, I didn't even get to move my target. It's looking for a bounce off that support down here at the 180s, off of the VWAP, and the 15-minute opening range low. Giving myself we what time is it? 9:50. Man, I did not mean to have my profit target right there. Oh well. All right. Let's see if we get something going here. Man, I got an itchy nose. All right, market. Are you going to bounce or not? Yeah, there is news in 4 minutes. I am aware. News in 4 minutes. I will be out of this trade before that. Just want to get a big push here. Come on. It makes me sad that I got taken out on that first entry. All right, I'm going to take that. It's not that much, but we'll take it. Need to get out before the news anyway. All right, it's popping. Definitely good entry right there off the 280, off that 180 bounce. Right back up to the 240s. Man, I did not mean... I need to change my ATM strategy. My ATM strategy is way too tight for this volatility. All right, we're waiting now until after the news. Again, a little bit of a dip there above that 240 and just immediately rejected. I don't know. I'm getting nervous again about this, about longs. Truth. Hey, congrats, Truth. Go. It might pump here. All right, what time is it? 9:58. 2 minutes, fellas. Actually, 1 minute and 15 seconds till news. Be aware. I can't see this news doing that much to this market. Can't see this doing that much. So I don't really see that we're going to have that big of a move at the news, but let's wait and see. If we lose the 160s, look out below. Mondays have come a bit too volatile to trade. Yeah, Mondays are, especially if we keep having 500 gap downs in the Sunday open, it becomes pretty crazy. And the news came out, big rip lower. Okay, this is looking interesting. Will we hold? Will this 180 hold? All right, we're waiting. We're just chopping back and forth now, just chopping back and forth between the 180 and the 240s. I mean, it's still a 60-point range. That's what makes this market so crazy. Is it looks like a tight range, but it really isn't. This is a pretty big range. I do not want to, I'm not going to buy here again. I'm too, this VWAP doesn't hold. If the 160s don't hold, look out. Could be in for a big move lower. All right, here we go. Down through the 160s. We got to close below the 160s though. So see if it holds. I might take, I don't want to be trading breakouts. Don't want to be trading breakouts here. I just know that usually doesn't end well. All right, here we go. Testing. See if it keeps going. Is it going to bounce here or not? Honestly, I mean, honestly, if we get, if this makes a push above this, gosh, I almost need to take another long right there. Ah, man. I should probably not be as aggressive today, but trying to get these Tradeify and Apex accounts, really want to get like $200 per account in them would be nice. I mean, if this holds, I'm taking this. We don't get filled here, it's fine. And we're in, folks. You know what? I'm going to take some off at 60 ticks. Come on, that was brutal. If that, it don't reject now. Come on. That was dirty. think we're still okay here, but did not like how that wicked. That wick I'm not a big fan of. This is not a... I don't listen to myself. I don't, not always. I definitely don't always. I mean, I feel like it, I mean, the problem is this VWAP is holding. It's holding, and if we rip above this 40s, I like it long. I would like this to go, though. It's kind of teasing right now. We definitely, I am not moving my stop here. This is an area where if we get stopped out, then we were just wrong. This needs to pop right here. Come on. Let's see if this holds. Gotta pop. Come on. Come on, bulls. Gotta pop right here. It's not looking good. Hey, Ace Undercover, good morning. Steven, good morning. TB, Dabda, good morning. Daryl Bapty, good morning. Miss PN, good morning. Moving in Waves, Top Secret Leverage. How's it going, everybody? Good to see everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, this is it. Gotta pop right here. Do it. Just do it. Really want to see this pop here above that 200. Gotta go. Come on. Come on, Marky. That's it. Come on, fill me. Fill me. Push. There we go. All right. I'm still keeping my... I don't know what I do here. I just want to give it a chance. I want to give it a chance to break out. Uh-oh. Man, I hate this price action. Okay, I'm just going to kill it. This is where it's like, it is hard to trade this. You know what? Let's put ourselves in timeout. No trading until after 10:30 now. No trading. We're starting to trade the chop, and that is not a good sign. No trading the chop. Man, did you see where we got filled? We got filled right at the tick. You love to see it. Okay, this is going to fall apart here. Okay, this is looking like we might be in for a rip lower. We got to see one of those just quick rips lower. If we do, we could go rip right down to the 100s. Glad we got out where we did. Man, we got filled there almost to the tick. We got reverse, whatever reverse of shotting in the tick got was, we got the reverse result. We can't lie. We'll take it. We'll take it. I'm just too focused on buying. I mean, honestly, I'm coming into the day and I'm actually bearish, but I mean, to me, I gotta look at longs as long as this 2170, the 170s hold. I don't feel like I can. Now, this is the first red candle that closes below the 60s. So now I feel like I could look at taking shorts, but we're not going to do it. This just feels very choppy. But we did call it this trap the longs as of now. And I still feel like we're going lower. Smoky Bear trades. At the PWL, I don't know what you mean. PWL. I'm not, PWL. What does that mean? Previous week's low. Oh, I thought it was something with Patrick Wheeland. You think we're going, hang on. The previous week's low is right here. This is also, I have it marked 770s. I wouldn't be shocked. I would not be surprised, but I don't know that we're going to get there today, though. That seems a little, but we could. I know, I was thinking the same thing. We just got to wait. I'm not, it's not about being right or wrong. It's, you just got to, we got to make money. People can make money going long here. People can make money going short. And it's all about, if you make money, that's what matters. I would much rather be wrong and make money than be right and lose money. It's weird how that sounds, but that can actually happen. You can be right and lose money. Technically, right here was an example. This trade, I was wrong, but I actually made money. This trade, I was wrong, but I made money. In the overall consensus, like I was looking for a bigger bounce off the VWAP. We did not get it. All right, here we go. Down to the 120s. We got the 100s incoming. 100s incoming. This was, as soon as we got down below that 160, I don't know. Now we just wait. Will we have some, we have some support here maybe at the 100s. And the same time, I could see us just kind of sell off here. We could do that. OBPG XO. Oh yeah. Yeah, Luka got traded to the Lakers. That's why the market crashed. That's what I heard. Luka got traded to the Lakers and the market crashed. Why don't I use Top Step X? I have used them. I might use them again. Right now, I want to get some payouts before I keep buying more accounts, to be honest. We need to be getting some, focusing on getting some payouts before we buy more test accounts. The only thing I don't like about Top Step is that whole 50%. You can only take out 50% of your profits. I'm not a huge fan of that, and especially not a fan of how they treat their live traders. Their live traders, you should be able to withdraw any day you want. You should be able to withdraw daily. There should be no restrictions on your withdrawals if you're in a live account with Top Step, in my opinion. But, you know, but now we can kind of start using this EMA for a short entry trigger. Definitely going to be looking at a short entry now as we continue just to bleed lower. This market be crazy today. Just not really seeing not much buying here at all. Not much buying happening. See if we bounce. Maybe we get a little bit of a bounce off the 120s. Nope. By the way, we had a great weekend this weekend. My brother from Colorado came in, and we had such a great. Went to the beach last night, and man, it was a beautiful. I gotta actually, you know what? I need to show you guys the sunset. Some of the sunset pictures that I got. Hang on. We got to do it. Right here. Some sunset pictures from. I took my drone out to the beach. And Siesta, this is Siesta Beach sunset. No more sunset pictures. This was earlier. It was pretty nice. Very nice indeed. Right there's their they always have the they have a drummer there. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. They always have a party there Sundays. But getting parking here is always a fun time. All right, down through the 120s. Are we just gonna keep going today? No need to get aggressive here. When are you going to come out of the closet? In about 30 minutes. No, I don't know. Every day I'm done streaming, I come out of the closet. How far from the beach? Like 10 minutes. It takes us like 10 minutes to get to the beach, so it's very, very nice. Very, very nice. Definitely easy to take it for granted being here now for. We've been here now for November, December, January. We've been here for 3 months. Man, that's crazy. What part of Florida? We're Sarasota, Florida. Yep, Mr. Wall Street. Literally just over the bridge, and we're there. All right, market. We're not getting any bounce here whatsoever. Just immediately, we're just going lower. I do have a level here at the 110s. I have marked as an area of support, so I don't want to short going into that level. I want to see a pullback closer. Would love to see a pullback up to the VWAP. Maybe we retest VWAP and then go lower. I would totally be down for that type of trade. Let's see if we get it. Where is Patrick in Florida? He's on the east coast of Florida. I would be on the west coast. Hey, there's a bounce. Okay, whoa. Whoa. Now that's a big rip higher. Wow. Okay, now I'm worried. Now I'm just waiting. What the heck? See, this is what, did someone tweet? Oh, man, that is crazy. This is where man, if you get trapped in and move like that, my condolences. Look at this. This has to be news related. Look at this go. What is going on here? How big of a move was that? That was like we went from the 120s to the literally, that was literally 100-point move. That is insanity. Dude, I mean, that's crazy. This market is crazy. I mean, this is where I'm just thankful I didn't enter short. Like what? I don't know how you trade this. I'm sure the ICT traders know, but I don't know. Anybody ICT traders in here? I need to know how to trade this. I'm just kidding. Don't tell me. I'm just kidding. Don't tell me. I don't want to know. All right, now we got to change everything. Something happened. I don't know what happened, but something happened. Something happened. What happened? I need to get like an alert if Trump tweets, okay? We need that. Oh, by the way, Kid Poker, the Pebble Beach, Rory McIlroy winning. I was happy to see McIlroy win. What is going? Oh my word! Look at this thing go. Oh, okay. What are we doing? I don't even know what we do here. I don't know, guys. I can't trade this. I mean, I can, but I don't want to. What is going on? Wait, tariffs are delayed for a month. Let's go, Steven. Hey, where's Smokey Bear? Condolences to Smokey Bear. You caught that Red Rover? Let's go, Red Rover. This is insanity. That is some crazy. Unbelievable. Are we going to keep going here or pull back? So was the tweet about the tariffs are delayed for a month? Is that what that was about? Yeah, okay. NP, thank you, NP. Mexico's president, a good call with Trump led to some accords breaking tariffs delayed for a month. All right, I guess that's good news. Hey, I guess that's good news, guys. I don't know what else to say. Gee. Oh, I don't know, man. That's so crazy. Canada Prime Minister also talked to Trump. Oh, this is going to be fun, folks. It's going to be fun. All right, I don't know what to do here. We got to look for a long, but I'm not going to chase this all the way up here. We have some resistance at the 394s. We've got some resistance at the 394s. Wow, 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 wow. Cone kill. I was down 300 on one micro and he got out 200 plus. The DCA for the win. Trump also approved hold of interest rates. His head should have hit somewhere today. As if he has any say in the matter. Oh, it's too funny, man. All right, market kind of pulling back again. Now everyone's absorbed the news and everybody's like, wait, is this really good news or just good news? This is now it's kind of tempting me here. Maybe we take a stab at it. Oh, I don't know. This is insanity. Salty. Yeah, buy the dips. Sometimes it works. It's an absolute bloodbath. Look at this. Above the 340s now. I mean, I don't know. I guess I could have chased it, but I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to get my face ripped off today, okay? That's my wow. All right, testing the 360s. It's crazy. 360s, and I'm looking at taking out the maybe I don't know. We're 400s is the next level. We got to be looking at 400s. Also, our man, it's temp. Do I buy here if we pull back to like the 300s again? Just crazy, crazy bullish right now. Struggling a little bit here to get above the 350, 360s here. If we pull back, I'm probably going to give this a shot. Almost need to just jump in here, but oh, there it goes. It's gonna go without me. All right, breaking above the 360, immediately pulling back, looking a little bit. Definitely feels like the 400s want to get taken out here. Hey, let's go, DL. Nicely done. Nicely done. Trading too far away from the home base. Yeah, it is. I mean, but right now, I mean, it's just so crazy. Right now, we could be in for. I think we get a pullback here at some point. Let's see. Are we going to break up through, get the 400s? It's definitely looking like we could pull back here. I'm going to wait. Wow, maybe it won't pull back. Come on. It's just so bullish right now. Oh. See, we break the 80s here. I think we just break the 80s and rip right up to the 400s. And I guess, I mean, we're just going to be sitting here, I guess. We don't have an entry and I'm not chasing. Will NQ end green today? Kid Poker. Oh my God. Imagine we close this gap and if we close above the 600s today, I mean, what's crazy is it could easily happen. It could actually happen. That's what's crazy. All right, 400s incoming. Come on, give me a pullback. Prop firms are sweating from all the profits they're going to have to pay out. Yeah, I bet there's way more blown accounts today than there are people making profit. I'm going to go out on a limb and say that. All right, here we go. 400s, 390s. There she goes. 400s. I mean, that's where it's like if I chase it, you know we're ripping lower and I bought the top. And I mean I'm fine. I'm fine not taking that because you knew it was gonna do this. But we're not chasing. This is crazy. Come on, gotta get a pullback here. All right, come on. The FOMO is getting real. NQ is down 500 points. Now it's only down 230. Yep. It definitely could. I can definitely, it would not be crazy to see us rally all the way back up to the 600s. I mean, we've seen crazier things from the NQ. We have seen crazier things. But look at this. Like, this is down to the 360s. This is a 40-point move. That's what makes this so hard to trade. And I wanted, like, it's difficult to trade this. I feel like you almost have to just take it blind in order to get a good entry, but if you get in at the wrong time here, you will get destroyed. What I really would like to see here is some consolidation. Just go sideways for a little bit. All right, down through the 350s now. Again, 50-point pullback from the highs. It's just crazy. All the way down to the 340s now. All right, I'm going to take this and we'll talk about it later. My stop's going to be below this EMA or below the 15-minute range. Kind of looking just to scalp this, to be honest. Look at how this moves. It's crazy. Like, it moves so fast. Like, it's hard to... Yes, Apex is still 1 day to pass. So, about the promotions, Apex still running their 80% sale until Wednesday. Wednesday, the 80% sale ends. $100 activation fees, 1 day to pass. Tradeify. So if you haven't checked out, so Tradeify redid some of their pricing. They lowered the pricing on some of them. They increased the pricing on some. So you almost have to check it. But they are currently, Tradeify is doing a across the board a 30% discount, 30% sale currently. So thank you, everyone. Appreciate all the support using the code NBT. Thank you. Also, Take Profit Trader is running their 50% sale, and the code if you want to support. The channel is Nutty Bar, all caps, because somebody stole my code and they won't give it back. All right, market. I'm really, really happy that I just took my little scalp there. I mean, it doesn't look like much, but it's 80 bucks. 80 bucks is 80 bucks. Hey, we're green. We're green, baby. We'll take it. We will take it. The Dom is like a strobe light. Yeah. I can only imagine. I mean, oh wow, now it's going. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh my word. Dude, this is insane. Look at that. From the 360s up through the 420s in literally 10 seconds. Actually, less than 10 seconds. I just don't understand how am I supposed to trade this? I want to trade it though. That's the thing. What happens when the one-time fee ends? Do they have to pay monthly then? I don't think I would worry about that. UCLA trades, they have not done a monthly fee in a long time. I don't think that's going to be happening. All right, all the way back up to the 440s. I don't even know. I guess I should have held now. I thought I did a good job getting out where I did, and then 2 seconds later, it makes new highs. Go figure. Go figure. Yeah, Sharoos, market only goes up. I know, right? You caught that whole pop, Chris Adams. Nicely done. Let's go, guys. I hope you guys are making money. Let's go. I am honestly, I'm actually pretty happy that I'm not more of a red day, if that makes sense. Today is one of these days where I can get destroyed. But look at this. We are getting, like, this is not even that unlikely anymore. We're only 160 points away from, actually, no, we're 100 points away from filling the gap. It's starting to look like we are going to fill the gap. It's a matter of time. Hey, Queek Gaming used my code for 15 eval. I appreciate that. But it Take Profit Trader, with Take Profit Trader, the NBT code is not supporting me, unfortunately. Somebody stole that code, so the code for Take Profit Trader is Nutty Bar Trading, all caps, one word. But no, actually it's Nutty Bar, sorry. Just Nutty Bar. All caps, Nutty Bar, no space. That is only for Take Profit. My code for Tradeify and Apex is NBT, but anyway, whatever. Yeah, Nutty Bar, all caps. That's the key. Is that going to you? Oh, with Apex? Yes. With Apex, NBT is my code, and I do appreciate the support. Thank you, Queek Gaming. I appreciate that. Hey, I just hope they're making a ton of money. Whoever stole it, I hope they need the money, and I hope they're making a bunch of money. But it's fine. Trying to look through here exactly all the news that just came out. All right, market. I mean, markets just continue to go higher. I'm not really sure what I should be doing here. Oh, also, all you golfers out there, Waste Management Open this week. Oh man, it's gonna be crazy. Waste Management Open. Waste Management Open is always it's a hoot. It's pretty crazy. I get a kick out of it. I really had a lot of fun watching watching Pebble Beach on Saturday and Sunday. That was fun. That was fun. I was hoping Rory would win. It was good to see. It was good to see. He deserves a win. He's had a little bit of a rough going the last couple years. All right, market. Come on, pull back. All right, give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. I'll be right back. I need some water. And we're back. All right. Pulling back to the 400s. All right, let's size down to 2 micros here. Man, do I really just buy every dip? All right, let's see if we get a pullback. Let's see if we can get a pullback. All right, here we go. Down below that 400. Oh, it's so dangerous. Feels so dangerous buying these pullbacks, but seems to be what we need to do. I'd love for this to consolidate, go sideways a little bit, but maintain above the 360s and then just jump in. But it might just keep going. Yeah, it's just going to keep going without us, guys, I guess. I'm not going to short this. I know that for sure. We've done that before, and that's not a good time. I mean, at some point, this has got to calm down. This volatility's got to calm down at some point. You would think. Oh. Don't you think although NQ is going up, the price action isn't ideal for trading? Yeah, exactly, consistent trader. I mean, this price action is I mean, this price action is basically if you're a momentum trader, as in as soon as you see any kind of momentum, you just jump in. Like you're making good money. Like this kind of price action is good, but anything other than that is, I mean, it's hard to catch these kind of moves. It really is. It's definitely possible, but it's just difficult. But yeah, Trump speaks to the press on placing tariffs in Mexico, Canada, and China 39 minutes ago. We need to have like some kind of like flashing red alert anytime Trump just randomly appears in front of a camera, or if he sends out any tweet, we need immediate notice. Like immediate. This is crazy. All right, market's kind of consolidating a little bit above the 400s. See if we keep going here, or are we going to pull back more? All right, maybe we get a little bit bigger pullback here down to the 360s. Let's see. 360s kind of my target here. Uh, okay, we're getting ready. Gosh. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna jump in here at the. All right, need to rip. Need a big rip here. There we go. Keep it going. Don't stall here again. Keep going. Oh man. Come on, keep going. Just retest the highs. That's all I'm asking. That's all I'm asking for is a retest of those highs. I don't ask for much. Push it. All right, I'm just going to take it here if I get it. All right, we'll take that. Scalp it out. We're just going to scalp it out. Oh, today feels difficult to trade. Today is definitely not easy. Trump and Mexico agree with to delay tariffs. Probably why we got this rip. Yes, RH, that is exactly why. Hey, M. Susan, good to see you. Yeah, I was actually looking for a Twitter account like that. I was looking for it. I love when it's such a good day. I have to stop because the consistency rules. Yeah, RH, that's the best. That is the best feeling. Clarity, even 1 micro ES is making me nervous. Yep. Yeah, Giorani trades. Yes, there is definitely something issues. There are some issues with wealth charts. I've been playing with them a little bit, and yeah, I sent some stuff to like they got bugs and stuff they need to work out. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we break up through that 440s. And obviously the next area I have on my chart. The next level I have is the 470s. 470s. So market seems to kind of have stalled here. If we fail to make a new high, then I am done. I am not going to keep chasing this. That is where I've always made my mistake. And especially recently I've always made a mistake where around 11 o'clock, 11:30, it seems like the market just kind of shifts and we start to bleed lower. Hey, good morning, John. Good to see you. How's it going? Hopefully you're doing fine. Stick to your opinions in the long run, you'll do great. 21,483 is the next upside target that you have. Okay, good to know. I have it at the 470s, but I could also see I can see where you're getting the 480s from as well. I'm front running it a little bit. All right, let's see if we get above that 420, above the 440s. I like the wicks here. I love the wicks we're seeing here. Could have taken another entry right here, but the fact we didn't make new highs, I'm going to sit this one out and just watch. It's just no need to get aggressive now. Especially, we're up $100 per account. Today is one of those days where I'm just looking to survive. I am not looking to make a ton of money. Because as crazy as the move is right here on going higher, we could easily just slowly bleed all the way back down in the afternoon session. And if that happens, I'm going to be in pain. We know where to place the blame. Do you think I should walk away? How do I have 25 accounts? With love to all, I have 20 Apex accounts, and these 5 accounts here are Tradeify accounts. We're $1,700 away on these 3 accounts, and basically $1,800 away. So we're basically $1,800 away from a $15,000 payout on these accounts. We are about $2,000 away on these 6 accounts from what is 2750 times 6, a $16,000 payout on those accounts. So really I'm just trying not to do anything stupid. What happened with the take profit trader accounts? I don't want to talk about it, Neil. It hurts too much. Honestly, I was stupid. I'll tell you what happened though. It's a fair question to ask. So last night I went to take a trade. I was like, I had this genius idea. Actually it happened right here. When we were making this nice move up right here, I was like, okay, I'm buying the trending channel. I'm buying the bottom of the channel. I thought I was buying with micros, and I was actually buying with minis. Now, I almost immediately noticed my mistake. I hesitated a little bit, and then I closed out the trade. But with the spread and everything, I still took a $400 loss on all of my accounts. And somehow that just, I was like, you know what I always talk about, being willing to walk away with a red day? Where I still struggle with is, like, I struggled with that this last night, but where I really struggle is, like, it was a mistake. I didn't mean to be trading minis, and it was a mistake. So I feel like it wasn't fair. And that's why I felt like to keep trading was, I wanted to make back that loss. That was a mistake, and like I was trading the wrong contract. It was my own fault, but yeah. Then I was like, okay, I got to make this back. And you know the rest of the story. It's literally, I kept taking another loss, took another like $300 loss, and somewhere right here on this gap lower, this rip down below the VWAP, somewhere here is where I lost the accounts. Poof, gone. I mean, I'm not like, I don't know. I don't even know how I feel, because they were fresh accounts. If those accounts were like at a payout, I would feel way worse. So it's more just that they were take profit trader accounts again, and how hard I've worked to get those accounts. That's more why I'm frustrated. Not because, like, they weren't really that important of an account. I mean, obviously I didn't want to lose them, but it's not like I had them, $100 away from a take profit, or, from being able to take a payout. It's just, they were fresh accounts. I worked hard for them. Poof, gone in about 3 hours time. All because I wasn't willing to walk away from a red day. And, well, actually the real reason is because I made a mistake. All right, here we go. Bigger pullback now. Okay, here's the plan. We're going to walk away here. This is just too typical. I have seen this movie way too many times before. Way too many times before I've seen this move, where we just, at the end of like the 11 o'clock, 11:30, we just start to roll over. And then I start to think, oh, it's going to go back up and retest the highs at some point. And I get it. I just get it in my mind. And I think it's going to happen. And I keep buying these stupid little pullbacks when I should be shorting the trend. But I'm not doing that. We are not doing that today. Not today, boys. Yes, John is in the house. Good to see you, John. It might this time. It's a new episode. I know, Matt. Matt, don't tempt me, okay? That is literally what I think every time. That is what I think every time. I'm like, oh, well, today could be different. Today might be the day. And then it isn't. And then I get mad. And then I think back to where I was. And I'm like, man, if I would have just walked away at that point. Hey, thank you, John. It's always good to have you here. The chat is not the same without you, John. All right, moving back above that 400 area. That was a nasty dip lower and now just immediately back up. Man, what time is it? It's 11:07. Honestly, I mean, I hate to cut it short. I feel like this is a very short session today, but have you ever gone into the day with a bad feeling? Because this morning it was probably a bad feeling because of overnight what I did to my take profit accounts. But this morning, I just was one of those days where I had a bad feeling. And being up 100 per account on my Tradify, I'm fine if I don't trade my Apex accounts. I might just lock myself out and walk away. I really might do it. This is teasing me. I think I'm gonna go swimming. The kids are right now in the pool swimming. They're having a good time. I might call it here. I might call it early here, folks, and go swim and just, I don't know. I feel like today's one of those days where I need to walk away. Watch, we're gonna go all the way back up to like the 700s. The nutty Speedo. I would never do that to my kids. What could design knob is in my head. What could just one more teensy weensy tiny little trade do? What could possibly go wrong? We've all been there. Don't test me. Don't try me, man. All right, guys, I actually am going to do it. I'm going to lock myself out. I'm going to walk away here. And I'm pretty happy with where today ended. I mean, I'm not happy about my take profits, but you know what? It is what it is. All right, guys. Hey, I do want to thank you guys all for the support. I really do appreciate it. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. We will be back tomorrow. I'm just hoping tomorrow the volatility dies down a little bit. Something where we can trade a little more with a little more confidence. This volatility is just crazy. I hope you guys stay careful out there. Don't blow your accounts. Stay green. And take care, guys. And God bless.